Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Virgin Diaño, 27 years old, single, and honest, hardworking, obedient, and friendly, sir.
Okay, any experience as a housemaid in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the first time how long?
The first employer, I finished the 2 years for work, sir.
Okay, how many members in the house?
Two couple and two children, sir.
The two children, how old?
The first is 9.5 and 6 years old, sir.
Okay, the two children, if they're fighting in the house, what do we do?
They ask them not to fight because their mother's not around, and then they behave also, sir.
Okay, you need to send them go to school?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if on the way they are naughty and run around in the street, how can you handle?
Just holding the hands of the children, and I said don't run because it's dangerous.
Yes, right. Okay, the second employer in Hong Kong also, right?
Yes, sir.
How long?
1 year and 8 months, sir.
Why only 1 year and 8 months?
They early released me, sir, because the children is old enough, and then they don't need the helper now, sir.
Okay, how many members in the house?
4, sir. 2 couples and 2 children.
Two children are how old?
The children is 16 and 19, sir.
Oh, big already, right?
Yes, sir.
They are also schooling?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 7 o'clock, sir.
Wow, so early.
Yeah.
You don't need to send the children go to school, right?
No need, sir.
Okay, but marketing?
Yes, sir.
Cooking?
Yes, sir.
Do you think you can cook really well?
Yes, sir.
Because you look like so fat, right? You are a good cook?
That's really, sir.
Okay, when you did something wrong in the house, then brought angry with you, what you will do?
I'm just always say sorry, and then not to do it again, and do my work properly, sir.
Okay, how can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
Always smile, treat every day, and be patient, sir.
You really smile every day?
Yes, sir.
In the employer's house?
Yes, sir.
How about your holiday, your day off?
I go to church, sir.
Every Sunday, ah?
Yeah.
If no Sunday, you will be black face?
No, sir, also.
Okay, now you want to apply again, right? Okay, you are still single.
Yes, sir.
When you will get married?
I don't know, sir. I just earn my money.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you ever choose me, I promise to do my best, to do my obligation, to work hardly, and obedient, patient, and always do my household chores.
That's all?
That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.